to hook up these hoses here. These hose on these tube. These are just clipped in place. We got another one on the back here. So the square has got to be moved that way for it to snap. So that's good. Yeah, this is good. So now it's time to hook up the air filter box. So we remove this. Make sure you line up your collar both like this one here, and the other one I'd rather have it here, unless I see something different when I'm gonna put it on. Seems to me a better idea. This is gonna work better like that. So remove all the rags. So the box is snapped. You can see there's 3 rubber here, here, and here. These rubber are snapped in place here with these studs, here and here. The three wire here, electrical wire, they're hooking up here. This goes like this. You see here the metal clip, or plastic clip, sorry. So they're you just push them in place in the right order. The idea is to line up this with the hole there. Just line this thing here with the hole. Push it in. Then we gotta take care of that hose to go on top. This is the vacuum hose for the brakes. So once you're close to it, you line up this thing here. Now we're gonna have to push this thing in place. So you want to make sure that you're lined up with the rubbers. Then you just push this. This is done. So the collar, just need to rotate the collar to have it at the right place. Again, 7mm. No, this one is 6mm. Set it in an angle so you don't interrupt with this wire here. The idea is just to be able to access it. Okay, and then this one here. This one here, you just want to line it up this way so it's not going to interfere with nothing. This is good. There's some stuff here. You can wipe this thing out. Okay. This thing here needs to be connected here. This is the vacuum. So this is just something you need to push in place. You also have to snap this hose here. Okay, this is good. So this is all set. There is this little hose here that goes on the back. It goes right here, so we have to remove this rag and this rag. It connects here. So the bigger hand goes on the cylinder head. So I would say, let's do it like that. So the wiring is not going to be all over the place. So we just push it in place. Hold place till it snaps. Then you're done. And there's just a little duct that goes here up front. We're gonna do this right away. Right. So this thing here, you just have to slide these in this hole here up front. So this thing snaps here, but you need to slide that first. So we're gonna take care. Priority one is to hook up this thing here up front. So when it's time to put that thing in, there's a lip here, and this thing goes in there and inside of this. So you do one and you keep some loose so that you can play with it. So you insert this part, then you pull this thing out, then you put it back in, then you put the screws and you just torque that. Don't over torque, it's plastic. And once you're done, you make sure that you snap that thing here on the side once it's clamped here up front. So time to change the air filter. Then you just clip that thing back on. Make sure you place the rubber all around. You insert the tabs here on the back there. Just clip that thing back. If it doesn't fit, it's because of the heat. Should be fine. That's it.